Hi, my name is Marie. I'm here today at Experience Haus Hackathon event.
So far the hackathon has been great, really collaborative, fun, generating lots of ideas, and I've really enjoyed that, and excited about how I can use my skill set in a really positive way.
A lot of adrenaline, a little bit stressful, but everyone's just really motivated and positive, so that really helps.
Education's such an interesting field and obviously growing, so I think that's really cool. Really interesting brief.
This is sort of a booster to remember a little bit what I learned before and put it into place.
I find Experience Haus really cool, very nice. Everyone's been very lovely and supportive, and it's been a really fun event so far.